Assembling your Big Bounce Trampoline with the team at number 1. Let's see what we've got. Spring tool, springs, safety mat, vertical leg extensions, top rail, anchors, ground pegs, tramp mat, manuals, leg bases, T-parts, safety net, nuts and bolts, fiberglass rods and galvanized tubes, PVC sleeve, safety net arms, and the step ladder. To begin the assembly, place the top rails in a circle on the grass. When connecting the final piece, get your partner to apply pressure to the opposite end, thus allowing you to connect the final rails easily. Next, insert all the vertical leg poles and the leg bases. These only go in one way, so be sure to match up the holes. Now bolt together the frame, making sure all bolts face inwards. Grab your partner and carefully rotate the frame onto its legs. Place the T-parts over the leg connections and bolt them in place. Again, bolts facing inwards. With the mat, it's best to map out and spring the 4 corners first, then continue connecting every second spring, thus to relieve the tension of the mat. But don't forget the safety mat. Position it so that the mat holes slot around the protruding T-parts. The elastic hooks underneath the safety mat go around the top rail and clip into the nearest D-link. The 2 bow knot bands stretch out to the nearest spring hooks for extra security. Next, connect all bottom tubes with the top tubes, then slide into the PVC sleeve. Now click the safety net arms into their respective T-parts. These only go in one way, so you may have to take it out and switch it up. Also make sure the top caps are nice and secure. Now to assemble the top ring of your safety net. You need to connect the rods with the galvanized tubes into 2 equal length tubes. Now thread each rod through the mesh sleeve at the top of your net. Get your partner to apply pressure on the far side so you can maneuver the rods to the point of an easy connection. Do this for both ends. Now click into the top caps of the safety net arms. Nearly done. Now pull the elastic hooks at the bottom of the safety net through the nearest D-link and across to the next available D-link. Cats not included. Secure the tramp legs with the ground pegs. For extra security, enforce the anchors at opposite sides of the tramp, looping it around the top rail. Finally, clip on the step ladder in line with the entry zip. And from the team at number 1, enjoy. When connecting the safety net bottom to the tramp, it's all about getting even tension. It may look too small, but believe me, it fits. First, simply clip each hook straight onto the nearest D-link. This will roughly spread the tension out and make your job a whole lot easier. Now remember, it's not every second link, it's the nearest link available. Start with the hook nearest to a safety net arm. Do the same to the opposite side Then repeat till all arms have one hook correctly fastened. Now fasten the remaining hooks and you're done.